Okay, so this is card number 5 on the Cute as a Bug series. And the greeting I'm using came from Paper Pumpkin, and it's from February 2026 to celebrate spring, and I'm using this Hello Friend. You can use any greeting you want, of course. And so I am going to stamp that in Mossy Meadow. Okay, let's get this out. And let's start with the back. So we have a petal pink layer and a basic white layer that are going to go in the back, in the inside of the card. And we can set them aside. Okay. And then we have this little bug is so cute. She is not a die cut. You have to fussy cut her. So I'm going to set the card front aside, and we're going to work on these layers. We have a piece of Mossy Meadow here that we're going to attach these designer series papers to. And so we're going to start with, I must have got 2 in that one. So we're going to attach this one. And you can put them in any order that you want. This was just my preferred order. And so I have my green little flowers going at the top. And attach that same way, leaving that 1/8 of an inch. So I will center it in the middle. Just like that. You know what? I think this one I put my... So I'm going to switch it. I'm going to... And we have these cute little layers that are cut in petal pink and basic white using the everyday. And I'm just going to attach those 2 together. Fussy cut out of the designer series paper. Oops, wait a minute. Before we put her on, let's stamp our greeting. So I'm going to stamp my Hello Friend. Did I pull it out? I bet I didn't. Yep, it's still in here. And let me get a block for that. Okay, and it's stamped in Mossy Meadow. And I think my Mossy Meadow is kind of getting, so it needs to be re-inked. So my stamp, because my Mossy Meadow is not, it needs re-inked. Or, you know what, there's another way to do it. Scoop it, you get a spoon and you scoop it to the middle. And I know I should have you guys that before, but that's always a good reminder. So just remember, we stamp in the middle. It's just a natural thing. To the middle from the edges. Let's see how it comes out now. I'm not going to use that one. Where did I put it? So it comes out a little better, maybe. It just might need re-inked. Yeah, I think it just needs re-inked. So we'll have to do that. Here's my other friend. Yeah, it just needs re-ink. It's drying up. Okay. So we're going to put our little bug on here with some dimensionals. And we have a little piece of grass. Uh-oh. Now I've lost my grass. Maybe not. I might need to grab a little piece of grass. I may have forgotten to put that in there. Okay. Let's get our dimensionals on our bug. And I think I want some minis in order to give this some good stability. I think our head's too big for too small. No, it works. Okay, that's what I want. Okay, let's pull off those colors. And we're going to So these were some of the extras, and I've done 2 cards out of this kit, and I only cut up 1 sheet of paper, and then a few extra things that I needed, like the mushrooms and a few things like that, with berries. But and you can see I still have plenty left, so you'll have lots to do it with. And there's my little girl. Okay. So let's put some dimensionals on the back of this petal pink arch. And we're going to put lots of dimensionals to make it stay up. That one's kind of off the page. I didn't get my trash can over here, so I keep trying to throw things in the trash that's not there. And not wanting to throw them on the floor. Okay, so I'm going to attach this, just centering it, top to bottom, right to left. And then I'm going to attach it to the pink, to the petal pink. Which are no longer available. So but we're going to put 3 of those on here. 1 here. 1 here. And 1 over there. So those are in your kit. And then we're going to attach this. Oh, there's my grass. I knew I'd find it. We're going to attach this to the front of our card. Let me burnish this real good. And put this in. And that is card number 5. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you at the next one.